Hello, friends. Hope you all are doing great and also safe at your homes. Today's topic is how to treat society, how to make your own decisions not only for the society but for also yourself. Society is in ourselves. Society belongs to you, but the only mistake that everybody does is uh, you know sacrificing their individuality for the sake of society. Everybody in this world are not their selves. Most people in the world are not being their selves or themselves. They are behaving according to the society, according to which the society likes. You are not being yourself. That's the point I'm raising here. Everybody needs society. Everybody likes society. Everybody, they are in society. That's the only reason why the people are, you know, sacrificing their individuality for the society. See, the main important thing is society is a part of your life. It's not your entire life. To just take decisions according to society. You should live how you want to be, not society want to see. Making decisions of yours, making your own choices, making your own, kind of life, the path of life that you choose to yourself should be only yours, not for the society. Because society is it's like we can't compare society with anything. If you do very good things, if you achieve good things, they'll appreciate as minimum as it can. When you do wrong things or when you do bad things, it will criticize you as maximum it can. So just think before you do your decisions or make your decisions according to society. Just think once, just make your brain to just listen to yourself, not for the society, and don't ever think according to society. Don't convince yourself, don't sacrifice your individuality for the sake of society, because society is there now, and in the next phase of your life, in a bad situation of your life, society will be the most criticism and the most criticized thing in your life. So make your own decisions. Don't be shy or don't be scared of the society, because society is not everything that you have in your life. You should only value the people who value them, you, and also you. The only thing that I want to tell you is, don't value the society up to the mark, because society is not valuing your uh, bad situations. It is criticizing you, it is making your confidence low, it is making you every single day, it will criticize you. It makes you down, it makes you, a kind of everything. The confidence within you is lower when you really listen to society. So if you are doing a decision, the decision should only yours, your friends, your family, and your well-wishers. Not entire society will like you, not entire nation will like you, not entire world will like you, except your family, friends, and well-wishers. So take the society limited. Whenever the society needs you, they beg you, but whenever the society doesn't need you, they will throw you as a hair. So just take every criticism like a positive thing and do it very goodly and do it greatly, man. Just go get the world. Thank you.